Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming that your Apple ID is active. Open Settings and tap your name so the device shows the account email. Once done, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and plug the device into power because iCloud backups require an internet connection and sufficient charge. Also check iCloud storage. If free 5 GB isn't enough, upgrade to 50 GB or 200 GB. Now that prerequisites are set, return to Settings, and I'll show you the exact toggles to enable. You tap Settings, then your name, and choose iCloud. Scroll to iCloud Backup and toggle it on. This enables automatic backups when locked, on Wi-Fi and charging. After enabling, tap Backup Now to create an immediate snapshot. This verifies settings and prevents waiting overnight. While it runs, check which apps are included under iCloud apps and turn off anything you don't need to save space. Make sure big items like photos use iCloud Photos or are excluded if you want backup size smaller. You'll finish by verifying the backup. Open Settings, iCloud Backup, and check the last successful backup time and size so you know it completed. If it fails, make sure you have enough iCloud storage, delete old backups or upgrade your plan and then try again. If issues continue, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device, and reboot the router. This resolves most authentication and connectivity errors. Finally, run Backup Now one more time to confirm success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.